Here I have VIVO V9 Pro, and let me show you how to use here Do Not Disturb mode on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Let's open the down bar right here, find and select here Do Not Disturb, and you can tap on Do Not Disturb right here. Tap OK to confirm, and here you've got the icon of Do Not Disturb. So it means that now just activate Do Not Disturb, but you can also hold down on Do Not Disturb for a little bit longer to open the following settings. Here you can turn on manually Do Not Disturb, or you can use scheduled time, so you can switch on Do Not Disturb, for example, every day from 10 to 7 AM. Let's tap done. Here you can also allow some interruptions. For example, you can allow some calls and messages from some favorite contacts. You can also here handle with repeat callers and some interruptions. That's it. So everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.